Hi everyone. My name is Sarah Hartreft. I am from a small town near Reading, Pennsylvania. I apologize. First off, I've been kind of trying to delay on taking this video. I'm a bit sick, so I apologize if I cough, sneeze, or anything. Um, what I'm doing currently is I'm a program supervisor for a company that supports adults with disabilities. So I go in, I make sure medical appointments, their medications, anything medical is taken care of with the staff. I make sure their individual support plans being followed, supervision, all that stuff in there, their outcomes and whatnot, and overall ensure their health and safety. I currently supervise 12 sites, and they're throughout eastern Pennsylvania. So Easton, King of Prussia, Reading, you name it, I probably have been there. Uh, as far as what I've enjoyed most in previous classes, research methods was not my favorite class. However, I enjoyed getting the information and I enjoyed learning how to be able to take data and break it down into different tables and stuff like that. I never had a class like that before. So it was a learning experience and I appreciate the learning. And the difficulty of the class actually made me want to push harder and strive for that A. So I enjoyed all of it. As far as what I'm looking forward to in this class, different policies, different laws, all that kind of stuff. Everything has changed since I was in my undergrad. I graduated in 2012. So it's been a while since I've been in school, and it's been a while since I've done any sort of research on things like this. So I look forward to seeing what's changed, what's been amended, that kind of stuff. And see if there's things I've missed. You know, there's always something out there that's new that to us, to someone, we don't know it all. So I am excited to learn all of that. I'm excited to go through the next 7 weeks with all of you, and I look forward to getting to meet all of you.